Hey, what's going on there, youth workers? Paul Turner here from thediscipleproject.net. Here with another video. As promised, I said I was going to increase the size of the Gaga pit, so I've torn down, as you can see, torn down the old Gaga pit. If you want to see what the old one looked like, well, it'll look like the same one here that I'm going to build today. But if you want to see that one, just go ahead and click over there, over here. You can find that link there. And I have started right here. So this should be about 12, roughly about 12 and a half maybe steps across. So let's find out. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, just about there. So there we are, right here at the other post right here. And then I will do 12 steps that way and 12 steps the other way. I'll be right back. Alrighty, and here is the auger I was talking about in the last video. Lifesaver, because it fits right into your drill. Let me show you how it works. All right, that is a time saver. If you're looking for one of those augers, you can go down to Lowe's, pick up one for yourself in the garden department there, or I'll put a link down below where you can get one on Amazon. All right, let's get this thing finished up, and I'll show you the results here in just a minute. All right, and she is done. As you can see, a lot bigger. Let's kind of go in here. Once again, I have my door here, so I can get in and out. I don't staple that end. And you can see this is about 14 by 13 steps. And once again, it is going to hold up. It's not, once again, pretty. It's not meant to be, but it gives me a place to have Gaga. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for joining me on the journey. If you have any questions about youth ministry, I would love to answer them. Leave me a comment down below. Do you have a Gaga pit? Do you want to build a Gaga pit? I'd like to know. Or you have any questions about youth ministry at all? Just leave me a comment. Be sure to go ahead and click that subscribe button if you haven't yet. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Talk to you later.